The meeting yesterday was to assess the effects of the then Israel-Iran conflict on especially oil prices. And so we looked at it and we looked at it at inanalyze namin kung paano mangyayari. And nakita natin that the effect on the economy should be manageable. May effect siyempre kahit paano pag tumaas ang presyo ng langis. But even before our meeting, nag-announce na ng ceasefire, pati Amerika nakapagpumasok na rin, nag-announce sila ng ceasefire, yung presyo ng langis bumalik sa dati. Umakyat ng $79 per barrel. Bumaba ulit. Pagkatapos na announce ang ceasefire, bumaba ulit ng 69 kung saan siya nanggaling. So far, there is no effect. So that there is no significant effect on the economy. Yun lang ang pinapanayin natin ngayon, yung price gouging. Ang dami ko nang nakita, nagtataas ng presyo. Hindi naman tumaas ang presyo ng langis. So yun ang papantayan natin ngayon.
Pero tuloy po yung mga ayuda. Kahit bumaba yung presyo, tuloy pa rin yung mga ayuda po sa ating mga drivers,
Kung hindi nagbago yung presyo, then we the same like before. Ang sinasabi namin, hindi ayuda, subsidy, pag tumaas ang presyo. E kung di tumaas ang presyo ng langit, there is no need for that. We can do business as usual.
Sir, some transport groups are saying that the subsidy is not enough. Ano pong masasabi niyo, sir?
The price of oil has not gone up. So, we do not need to talk about the subsidy yet. The price of oil has not gone up. It went up for one day